So the ingredients are 2 cups of maida, 1 cup of sugar, 50 grams of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, a few drops of vanilla essence and some Hershey's, which is optional. Mix until it comes to this consistency.
Preheat the OTG at 200 degree for 10 minutes.
Grease the tin properly. Then pour the mix. So guys, now our Choco vanilla cake is ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.